Let us know your favorite European destination in the comments. First, we find ourselves in the sacred heart of Vatican City, the epicenter of Catholicism. A stone's throw away, we encounter Monaco. Known for its Grand Prix and casinos, Monaco is a playground for the rich and famous. We then ascend to San Marino, the world's oldest republic, perched atop Mount Titano. Our voyage takes us to Liechtenstein, a country defined by alpine landscapes and regal castles. Europe may be the second smallest continent, but it's home to a remarkable variety of countries, each with its own unique charm and character. From the picturesque microstates to the sprawling domains, join us as we explore them all, one by one. Crossing the threshold into larger territories, we find Luxembourg, a country blending modernity with medieval charm. Its capital, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a mosaic of fortifications and green spaces. Our journey began with the tiniest of territories, where every square kilometer is packed with history and culture. These are places where you can cross the entire country on foot and still have time to enjoy a local espresso on a sunlit piazza. Venturing into the heart of Europe, we arrive in Switzerland, renowned for its neutrality and the invention of the Red Cross. It's also the birthplace of the World Wide Web, created at CERN in 1989. As we progress, the countries grow in size. But no matter the scale, each has its own story to tell. We'll see nations that have been at the crossroads of empires, lands that have given birth to great artists and thinkers, and regions that are pioneering the future. Our path leads us through the continent's diverse heartland, where each country unveils its unique identity. From the Baltic states to the Iberian Peninsula, Europe's mid-sized nations are a kaleidoscope of languages, traditions, and landscapes. We now move on to the larger nations, where vast landscapes unfold. These countries are guardians of Europe's natural wonders, from towering mountains to serene coastlines, each acre a testament to the continent's grandeur. Our expedition reaches the final leg with the largest nations, whose size is matched only by their cultural and historical richness. These are the countries that stretch across the continent, encompassing a variety of worlds within their boundaries. As we continue, we can't overlook Italy, a country that has profoundly influenced Western culture and cuisine. Italy is home to the greatest number of UNESCO World Heritage Sites in the world, showcasing its rich history and art. We delve into the architectural splendor of Germany and the historic legacy of Poland. Each nation's area is a canvas for its people's achievements and aspirations. Countries like France, Spain, and Sweden showcase a variety of ecosystems, from coastal beaches to snow-capped peaks. Despite recent turmoil, Ukraine's spirit remains unbroken, with its sunflower fields symbolizing hope and national pride. We've traversed the continent from the tiniest principalities to the mightiest nations, discovering that in Europe, every country, no matter its area, is a vital piece of the puzzle. Let us know your favorite European destination in the comments section. Thank you for joining us on this remarkable exploration.